Hey guys, I'm Dinosaur today. We're doing another sleep stream today. Yeah, sleep stream. Guys, let's do another sleep stream today. Sleep stream. Here we go. This is part number 2, 15 minutes. Let's turn this thing on. A bit of background. Let's do this. Right, Dinosaur. Good night. Shit, you can barely see anything. Put that there. Dinosaur can't see that bit, but let's do this. Let's go. Right. Let's do this. Yeah. Well, more bits.
Cheer 200 bits. I like sexy Minecraft girls. And they're called Ceres, Arabella, Astrid, Abigail, Kira, and Stella. Heart, 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 heart. What else, Howard?
Beef. It's what's for dinner.
I'm going to fuck Ceres in the pussy.
Hey,
yes, she's 300 years old but still hot. Hot face. And also the hottest Minecraft girl in the world.
Fair enough, guys. Fair enough. Holy shit. Holy hell. Beef. It's what's for dinner.
177 quintessillion 777 quattuordecillion 777 tridecillion 777 duodecillion 707
Shut up, twat! Shut up, asshole!
77 decillion 777
It's pissing me off, this shit out!
777 octillion 777 septillion 777 sextillion 777 quintillion 777 quadrillion 777 trillion 777 billion 77,777,777.
What? Shut up, puppet. For God's sake. Jesus Christ. Whoa! 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 Was it? Thanks. Didn't park for the gifted £11. Thanks so much.
10.9.8.7.6.5.4.3.2.1. Boom.
Fair enough.
You are still a virgin at 35. Also stop streaming and get a girlfriend.
Huh?
Choose either a hot clown or Minecraft girl.
Yes, please.
Or those anime girls that keep moving every stream.
What anime girls? What do you mean anime girls?
Yes, you're still a virgin at 35. Also stop streaming and get a girlfriend. Choose either a hot clown or a Minecraft girl. Or those anime girls that keep moving every stream. And also is that cum stains on those
Hey, mods!
Lol.
Mods! Ban that kid who said that on the chat. Shut up, cunt! Don't say that word!
35-year-old virgin who is lazy, inconsistent, N-word face, twat, chocolate chip cookies with a bit of cum. Also sexy hot Minecraft girls, aubergine, nervous sweat, oops, horny alert, double exclamation mark, DV1L2 L3
Oh, for God's sake! Shut the fuck up, you dickhead!
35-year-old virgin who is lazy, inconsistent, N-word face, twat, chocolate chip cookies with a bit of cum. Also sexy hot Minecraft girls, aubergine, nervous sweat, oops, horny alert, double exclamation mark, DV1L2L3.
Shut your mouth, TTS! Shut up, puppet, please.
Yes, Daddy, come on, mate.
Dinosaur, don't the other down. Dickhead. It wasn't me, yes it was. Stop saying it wasn't you, because it is over time. Yes, not just me, not you, puppet. I was gonna say. Bloody sake.
Cookie Monster Ginger Boobs. Dubstep, musical note. The best way is just listen for a little more and you'll get a Minecraft girl like Ceres and Arabella. The two hottest girls in the world, America's, and you will come instantly. There you go, Howard.
Thanks for the gift of 5 and 200 bits. Cheers, mate. Well, more bits. Shut up! Asshole! Ryder! Shut up! No, you shut up, twat! Oh, you missed again, dickhead. Put that light out! Stop shouting, please. Can't sleep. Yes, you can, dickhead. Not that fucking noise. Or the R's. Or the lights. My fucking God! Shut up! Stop the wheezing, shouting twats! Mods, mute! Mods! God's sake! Asshole! Shut up, dickhead! My God! Ask Mike. Thank fuck! Alright, chill, dude. Beef. It's what's for dinner.
These nuts. Ha. Got him. Also, you fat toss.
Hey! Shut up! You shut up! No, you shut up, twat! You shut up! No, you shut up, twat! Yeah! I didn't spit, you disgusting twat, that's how it was. No one says that well either. God's sake. These nuts. Well, more bits, more bits, more bits. Yeah, thanks for 100 bits. You're welcome. Finally, some peace and quiet for once, you complete Howard. Lights off! No, keep it on, me to see us. It's hard to see when it's in the dark, dickhead. Okay, how about this? Yes, but I can't fucking breathe. Yes, you can. Right, son, dickhead, calm down. Alright. Beef. It's what's for dinner. That was this shit! Shut up, twat! Shut up! I'm good! Shit! I'm on the camera, dickhead. Don't get it! Hey, right there, get out my seat, dickhead. Thanks. Shut up. Everyone, please, enough of the fucking shit fucking CTS. It's annoying as fuck. Exactly, now shut up, please, before I ban all of you for next morning. Thanks, idiot. Well, more bits, more bits, more bits.
We don't care, you bunch of Howards. Take this nigga.
Oh, puppet, hit the camera, dickhead. Was it me? Yes, it was. For the love of God. Mods banned permanently. Mods. For the love of God, let us fucking sleep. guys, that will be the end of the video. See you guys next week for more sleep streams. Bye guys, see you again soon.